Hello students, today we are going to cover question answers of the chapter The Four Dolls. Before I talk about question answers of this chapter, if you still want to go with the story, I will give the link in the description. You can go to the story later on and then you can come to the question. But because I have already done the story part in my first video, the link is given in the description. Today I'm going to cover the question answers for the same chapter, The Four Dolls. First question is, what message does the third doll convey? The third doll conveys about introvert. Introvert means reserved, retained. People who listen but do not reveal anything to anyone. Next question is, which doll was made by Jagannath? Jagannath made the fourth doll which depicted or described about the best type of people. Next question is, describe the different kinds of people as conveyed by the three dolls. The different kinds of people as conveyed by the three dolls are: number one, first doll conveyed about the person who does not retain or keep anything. Second type of people. Second doll conveyed about talkative people who speak everything to everyone. Third doll conveyed about introvert, that is reserved or retained, people who do not speak anything to anyone. Now question number 4. Which process did Jagannath ask the king to repeat and why? Jagannath asked the king to repeat the process of putting string into the ear of each doll because through this he wanted to show the different kinds of people depicted by dolls. Who is the best type of person according to Jagannath? This is next question, number 5. According to Jagannath, the best type of person is one who knows when to speak, when not to speak, and when to listen. After this, next question. Why was Jagannath considered to be the wisest man? Jagannath, answer is, Jagannath was considered to be the wisest man because he was the only one who came with the answer of sage's question. He depicted the message conveyed by the three dolls. Question number 7. What happened every time the king put the string into the fourth doll's ear? Answer is, when the king put string into the fourth doll's ear, first time it came out of the other ear, second time it came out of the mouth, and third time it did not come out of anywhere. Question number 8. Is the title of the story a suitable one? Give reason to support your answer. Yes, the title of the story, The Four Dolls, is perfect because the writer has depicted about different kinds of people very well with the help of four dolls. Question number 9. Do you like the story? Why? Why not? Yes, I really like the story because it is an educative story. It inspires, motivates us to become the best type of person who know well that when to speak, when to remain silent, and when to listen. After this, we have reference to context. Statement is, this is the doll I made myself. Now, there are further questions. Question number 1. Who said these words and to whom? Which words? Still again I'm repeating. This is the doll I made myself. Yes, it was Jagannath. So answer is, Jagannath said these words to the king. Next question, B. Where did the speaker say this? The speaker said this in the king's court. C question, what kind of a doll was it? It was the special gift of doll. Jagannath made it himself. What message? D question, what message did the doll give? The fourth doll conveyed a message that we should become the perfect person who better knows when to speak, when not to speak, and when to listen. Yes, we have these questions from this chapter, the four dolls. In case of understanding, if you want to understand, you can go to the video related to the story. The link is given in the description. And for your better understanding, you can see this video again.